Good reasons why apple cider vinegar helps with weight loss. In this video, I will talk about apple cider vinegar and why you can lose weight by drinking apple cider vinegar. We will talk about the real benefits and sometimes the myths you should know concerning ACV. One of the myths about apple cider vinegar is that it is full of nutrients, which is not true. Some people believe it has lots of vitamin C, A, and many minerals, all of which are myths. Apple cider vinegar has a lot of good things, but the notion that it is full of nutrients is not one of them. However, apple cider vinegar has something much more critical that makes it very special. It is a fermented apple juice with a variation of phenolic compounds. ACV contains acetic acid, citric acid, organic acids, lactic acid, formic acid, malic acid, and more. One of the reasons you can use it to cure or remedy many health problems, including losing weight. Acetic acid or ethanoic acid is a colorless liquid and organic compound with the chemical formula CH3COOH. Acetic acid is the main component of vinegar other than water. Note, at the end of this video, you will learn how to prepare your apple cider vinegar to achieve the best weight loss results. Meanwhile, pay attention because there are numerous health benefits associated with apple cider vinegar, which will benefit you whether you are trying to lose weight or not. Also, this video has many terminologies and technical stuff that may seem foreign to you, but be patient because all will make a lot of sense in the end. Apple cider vinegar works so well in reducing body fat because most bodies have too much alkaline. Acids and alkaline are two different things, and what differentiates them is their pH level. As we progress in this video, you will know why and how each one of them helps or makes losing weight hard. pH means a level of how acidic or basic a substance or solution is. Alkaline has more pH levels than acidic, and different parts of our bodies have different levels of pH, which often determine how and why effective apple cider vinegar can be from one person to another in terms of losing weight. The accurate indicator of a body's pH level is measured through the blood. However, it is difficult to test because it is complicated and costly. For example, the urine has different pH levels, as do the saliva and the blood. The reason is that blood can oxidize quickly once it draws out of the body. So the best way to determine the body's pH is by the person's symptoms or how the individual feels. Acidosis is an overproduction of acid in the blood. Our bodies should have normal acid, but not too acidic, or acidosis. On the other hand, alkalosis is the direct opposite of acidosis, which means that your blood and body fluids contain an excess of bases or alkali. pH is what transforms enzymes and minerals in the body, which help increase your metabolism and stimulate the thyroid. Normal blood pH levels should not be too acidic or too alkali. Yes, your blood pH should be slightly alkali, but not excessively alkali. And that is why apple cider vinegar is excellent, because it can change your blood pH level to where it needs to be to help you lose weight. Any pH level below 7.0 is acidic, while anything above 7.0 is alkaline or basic. Acetic acid is said to be very acidic when it is around 2.5, which is typical for stomach acid. One reason the apple cider vinegar is so good for balancing stomach acid. That is why people take it for heartburn or acid reflux disease. When you suffer from heartburn, acid reflux, or indigestion, that is a condition where your stomach is too alkaline, and when that happens, the valve on the top of your digestive system does not close. However, when you take apple cider vinegar, that open valve will begin to close on top, preventing stomach acid from regurgitating upwards through the valve. ACV is good for helping you lose weight and is also suitable for GERD, acid reflux, and indigestion. The older you get, the more acid you need to enable you to digest and absorb minerals and protein. As you age, your stomach pH level will start to increase and become more and more alkaline. The more alkaline you are, the harder it becomes for you to absorb minerals and calcium as you did when you were younger. You must absorb calcium because if you don't, it will start building up in the body's soft tissues, which can lead to soft tissue calcification. Too much calcium in the body is terrible. It can make you gain weight and develop arthritis, eye cataracts, and kidney stones. Soft tissue calcification means you will become more rigid and stiff and possibly develop arthritis. So many problems like neuritis of the nerve and even teeth decaying issues are all due to systemic stomach alkalosis. Also, in a situation like this, when your body is too alkaline, that makes proper food digestion difficult. Some of the things you can do to help is to take fat-soluble vitamins to help with calcium absorption. Examples are vitamins D and K2. In a book called SIBA Encyclopedia of Endocrinology by Frank Netter, he laid out the importance of pH and how the body works. It talks about cortisol, the stress hormone, high cortisol, high stress, alkalosis causes, what makes the body alkaline, etc. In essence, this book is trying to say how important and what role high cortisol and stress hormones play in weight gain, and why people have difficulties losing weight because their body is too alkaline. Unfortunately, this is not unique. Most people have a lot of stress, and because of that, their body becomes too alkaline over time. In such a situation, some people might think that the right thing to do is to start drinking alkaline waters to help them absorb calcium. But that is a bad idea because doing that will make matters worse. Instead, drink water because it is already alkaline, but not too alkaline. When you are stressed and have high cortisol, you will become too alkaline without a doubt. And when that happens, you lose something called H+, an acid primarily through urine, making your body even more alkaline, which blocks calcium absorption. And when you cannot digest or absorb calcium, it causes many other problems which lead to weight gain and makes it difficult to lose weight. You may also start noticing that certain body parts are twitching and feel weird. Adrenaline, like stress and high cortisol, is one reason people gain weight because they change their pH level. And when you can't absorb calcium, you become calcium deficient. And this is where apple cider vinegar comes in. Apple cider vinegar helps balance your pH and makes it more acidic, which helps mobilize the calcium in your body. When that happens, it helps to eliminate the cramping you may be feeling and the calcium imbalance or deficiency you may have, all of which make losing weight difficult. Apple cider vinegar not only helps you lose weight, but it can help you reduce specific nerve pain, neuritis such as arthritis, migraine pain, and joint pain. With stress, you become too alkaline, which could lead to many problems. Taking apple cider vinegar balances your pH levels, increases your acidity, and increases your body's potassium. Apple cider vinegar will help you improve potassium in your body, which will also make your body more acidic. Retention of potassium may not seem like much to you until you learn that having enough potassium in your body can help with high blood pressure issues, feeling of weakness, constipation, irregular heartbeats, fatigue, and many other ailments. Yes, regularly drinking apple cider vinegar can help you cure or eliminate some of the disorders mentioned here, or other conditions because of improved potassium due to the consumption of apple cider vinegar, which balances your pH level to where it needs to be. For people doing a ketosis diet, which requires them to eat more protein, apple cider vinegar is an excellent supplement to their diet because it will help them and prevent them from having too much protein in their liver and body, which is not good. Apple cider vinegar is also an antidote for reducing high protein when you have too much protein in your liver and body. A chemical waste called guanidine is too high in alkaline, which can cause twitching, nerve pain, arthritis, and more, which you can accumulate due to eating lots of protein. And drinking apple cider vinegar can help balance that out giving you the right amount of pH level your body needs to function correctly. One of the benefits of apple cider vinegar is that it helps your body absorb minerals, mobilize calcium, and improve your digestion of protein. It also helps strengthen your immune system. Even though apple cider vinegar is a fermented juice made from crushed apples, it is a good cleanser that helps you absorb minerals, mobilize calcium, and improve your digestion. Plus, all the health benefits of vitamin C, which can help prevent viral infection and prevent you from catching cold and fever. Apple cider vinegar's main benefit from this video is its acidifying of our bodies, making it more acidic. So here is how you make the apple cider vinegar concoction that will help you lose weight. Drink this 3 times daily before a meal. When you do this, it will help you lose a lot of weight because it stimulates the thyroid, acidifies the stomach, and that is how you lose weight with apple cider vinegar. Use the best quality brand of apple cider vinegar, like the Bragg's. Use 1 cup of water and mix it with 1 tablespoon of apple cider vinegar before each meal. Use 3 times daily. You must use the right amount of water to help you get the best benefit from this healthy concoction. This will help your stomach acid, make digestion of foods easy, and prevent you from regurgitating foods. Adding 1 tablespoonful of lemon juice can also help your weight loss goal. Lemon juice does not help you burn fat, but reduces your urge to eat more calories. However, if you suffer from acid reflux disease, I would suggest that you don't add lemon juice, as this will make your acid reflux worse. Instead, I recommend adding 1 spoonful of juice from the ginger extract. This is a straightforward but consistent way to lose weight. However, remember that proper and healthy diets and adequate physical activities will enhance your chances of losing weight when you do the apple cider vinegar concoction for weight loss. Give it a try and see if it will work for you. Best of luck to you, and thank you for watching. More video links are in the descriptions.